Today morning at 10:00 HRS, we received one complaint from Joaquin Gonsalves, resident of Barca, who is a contractor by profession. They had informed that at his construction site there is a one labor murdered by unknown person. Name of his labor is Rajesh Bara, age 36 years, resident of Simdega district, Jharkhand. Accordingly, we forensic team, my PSI officers, LIB team, plus SDB Margaon visited the spot, verify the fact, and we rounded up 6 to 7 people. After interrogation of the laborers, we come to zero down and we found the accused. The name of the accused is Ignatius Minch, age 41 years, resident of Simdega district, Jharkhand. He has confessed about his offence. The motive is about the money. It is happened in the yesterday night.
Weapon
of the assault is the wooden rafter, measuring around 60 to 70 meters, which is attached from the scene. The injury is on the face and the head.
You attacked him when he was sleeping or when they were awake?
Mostly has attacked him when he was sleeping. We have rounded up the staff from the different places, and when in the interview acquisition, he has confessed about the crime. So the accused evaluation of the deceased has been done by our bit staff.
So that
is the most valid point for us for detection of this case.
Where was
Yes,